There are two presser feet that come with the BERNINA L890, and let's just talk about the difference and then also talk about how to change feet correctly. They're really easy to change out. Plus, BERNINA does offer a handful of accessory feet for your SERGER. So check out the website or visit your local BERNINA store for feet that will do other techniques other than just basic stitches. There are feet that will do gathering and piping, some of my favorite where they'll insert wire and a blind hem, so much more. Actually, really fun. Okay, so first off, the foot that came with your machine, probably the one that's on it right now, is C11. So this one actually can be used for both overlock and cover stitch. So this is kind of like your universal foot. If you've never changed feet, that's okay. But when you go to cover stitch, you will be guided on screen to change the foot to the C13 foot. So it's a little narrower and it doesn't have the room for overlock, so you can't use this for other things other than cover stitch or chain stitch. So all you need to do is actually lift up the presser foot. There's a little lever in the back. It's actually red. As you push on that red lever, it lets go of the presser foot. So you can slide this out, and I'm going to just use the same one here, and then slide this back underneath. Yes, there is this little kind of spring lever right here that is going to be kind of in your way, kind of hop it onto the foot. And then what you're looking for is that the little kind of claw that is going to come down is directly above the bar. Now, maybe not directly above, maybe just a little bit behind it. So as it comes down, it will kind of open and attach to the foot. And then you'll know when it's attached because you heard the little click and it is held in place. So touch it to release it, and then you can hold one hand here and slowly until it kind of clicks in there. And then do remember, you do have the option to swing this presser foot out to get inside here or help with any getting a hold of threads or getting things situated for threading and getting started with your next stitch selection. So you can do that swing out on both feet. So I do love that feature. So check out all the other accessories available and make sure that you're always using the foot that the machine tells you should use for the stitch you've selected. I hope you'll click on those links below. That's the complete video tutorial playlist where you can watch all the BERNINA videos on the BERNINA L890 from start to finish. And if you do like these helpful videos, make sure you give each of the videos a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, till next time, happy serging.